Today at Quanta Laser Labs, we're going to talk a little bit about laser tattoo removal, specifically with polymer die handpieces. These are handpieces that have been used for years in the aesthetic laser industry to try to treat the Achilles heel of the industry, the green and the blue tattoo inks. When you're using a polymer die handpiece, you're actually using a 1064 wavelength that is being converted down to 532 and then down through these polymer die handpieces to either 585 or 650. Now, those wavelengths absolutely are well absorbed by green and blue inks. One of the problems that you find though with the polymer die handpieces is that by the time they've been converted down through the 532 and into the 585 or 650, they just don't have enough power to really create a good tattoo removal treatment. The other thing that you oftentimes have issues with polymer die handpieces is that they're typically a lot slower than the laser by itself, and you oftentimes have a much smaller spot size. Another downside with a polymer die handpiece is that it is a disposable cost. Doesn't matter which company you're looking at, those polymer dies, as you fire the laser through them, that energy is absorbed and they are going to have a disposable cost to them. Typically somewhere, depending on the company, of $5,000 to $10,000 per year. So when you're evaluating different technologies and you're looking at something that has a polymer die handpiece, make sure that you understand that yes, it does go after those green and blue inks, but there are some limitations that you run into with a polymer die handpiece. If you have future questions, please call one of our aesthetic laser consultants and we can help you understand more about the die handpiece in tattoo removal lasers.